Ay, Robert, pasagot naman ito, oh.
Ano ba yan? Oh, special product. Okay. It is very, very important that we familiarize all the special products. And of course, the factoring that comes with it. Pag hindi natin kabisado yon, mahihirapan kayo for sure. So, paano natin gagawin? Baka unang naisip natin, expand, expand, multiply. But what will be the concern with that? This will become 3 terms. Ito rin, 3 terms. So, 3 terms times 3 terms, mas sasakat ang ulo natin. But obviously, that's not the goal here. Hindi naman gusto niya kayong pahirapan. What's so special with m minus 2n and m plus 2n? I hope that will make you remember na meron tayong tinatawag na special product. Particularly, we have a plus b times a minus b. This will give us what value?
A squared minus B squared.
Minus. So, yun yung kailangan natin maalala. So, when you say m minus 2n squared, that's just saying that m minus 2n times m minus 2n. m plus 2n squared means m plus 2n times m plus 2n. m minus 2n times m plus 2n. So, this will now become the square of m minus the 4n squared. Ito yung another partner. Right?
Right.
So that means this is now just the square of this. Now, paano ikukunin na yan? Ito naman yung a minus b squared. Whether minus or plus any, no? Ito na yung picture na sana maalala nyo every time around. Kunyari, so a minus 2b times a minus 2b, multiply mo lang bawat isa. A times a squared. A times negative 2b, negative 2ab. Negative 2b times a, negative 2ab. Negative 2b times negative 2b is 4b squared. So, babalikan natin dito ngayon. A minus b1 squared is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So, this is your a, this is your b, okay? So, that's why will be equal to the square of m squared minus 2 times m squared times your 4n squared plus the square of your
4n squared.
So, simplifying m to the
4th power
minus
8
m squared n squared. Then,
n to the 4th power.
Kaya ang sagot natin is your letter C. Gets mo na ba?
Yes, kakayanin ko na yung ufkat.